Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find System and Update. Let's tap. Then let's tap on Date and Time. And right here, usually you will have those options for date and time inactive. It is because the time is defaultly set by the automatic option. So first of all, let's turn off this switcher, and now we can freely tap on date and change it by swiping first month, then a day and a year, and it will be immediately set. The same with the time. Just tap on it and swipe to change it. As you can see at the top, you can change the time format from 12-hour to 24-hour. However, it is impossible to change the date format. Here you can also change the time zone, and just tap on it, and here we've got a different time zone. So just find yours and tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. Here you can also decide to use dual clock, and just by tapping on the switcher you can display two different clocks. The first one from the place you're currently in, which is set here, and the second one from any other place of your choice. Just tap on it and search for a city. which you wish to set. Alright, let me go back here, and here you can also decide where you'd like to display the dual clock. So to get back to all previous options, so the automatic options, just tap on the switcher right here and everything will be set. Obviously the time zone, you have to change it manually. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.